So let's use our logarithm rules to expand a logarithm. And by expand a logarithm, I mean to use exponent rules to take something like this and to rewrite it as the sum or difference of many different logs until we can no longer apply exponent rules. It'll become very clear in this example. So to start, let's apply an exponent rule. So first, we've got x squared y cubed divided by z. Let's apply the division rule. Okay, so this breaks it up into log base 2 of x squared y cubed minus log base 2 of z. Fair enough. This is a product, and we can use our multiplication rule on it, just like that. Okay, so log base 2 of x squared y cubed turned into log base 2 of x squared plus log base 2 of y cubed. Lastly, we can apply the exponent rule. All right, so log base 2 of x squared, we can use the exponent rule and pull that exponent out right here in front, and it becomes 2 log base 2 of x. Same thing here, y cubed, since we can use the exponent rule, we can take that 3 and pull it right out in front as well. So log base 2 of x squared y cubed divided by z expands fully to 2 log base 2 of x plus 3 log base 2 of y minus log base 2 of z. And we know we've expanded it fully when we can't do any more logarithmic operations. There's no more log rules to apply here. Got a log of a single variable. We can't do anything with that. There's no more log rules to apply, so we're done. Now, one common mistake that a student typically makes around this step is they see log base 2 of x squared y cubed and they try to pull out the exponent. Well, keep in mind, it's not x squared y squared. They don't have the same exponent. So if you're pulling out an exponent, it would need to be on both terms, not just one. I see students pull out a 3 or a 2, and that would only work if you had x squared y squared, because x squared y squared is equal to xy squared. So you can see that you could just pull that exponent out in front. Okay? But in this case, where we just have x squared y cubed, we can't really do that. So don't apply the exponent rule until you get each of your variables separated. It'll make things a lot simpler, and it'll prevent a lot of mistakes.